What's up YouTube, it's your boy Mr. LTD, aka MC Become number 7 Kashangane just net laponji. So guys, today we are here. Lelanga bekudala silindile bafethu shukuthi sonke besilibhekile, sonke besida. Ingqondo zethu zida for days and weeks and months. Finally we are here. So today guys, finna vlog the day. Maybe show 2-3 choirs nyana or 3 songs nyana ola machoirs obacula namhlanje, which is basically us Nhlakanipho gospel singers. Yeah, it's fire, we're doing shit today, we're doing shit. So guys, hope you enjoy the video. Please click that like, share and subscribe button, click that notification bell to get notified next time I drop. Danko! So guys, we are here. Oh, I feel. Isho seyaqala. Seyizoqala. Ayicali. Banamanga ayicali. Sisengaphandle sisazula. Isho seyizoqala. Soon. Sathatha amandla yabo. Yeah, sathatha amandla. Oh, let's pay my zizodwa lezi ikhombene kanje. Ikhombene. Teng balloon. Yabona abafana ababhemayo. Abafana ababhemayo. Ay lesi sibhemayo ju. Ay lesi sibhemayo ju. Ay lesi sibhemayo ju. Ay. Oh la la. Yabona if awukho la. If awukho la. Oh no, you are missing out. Oh, stop! Yeah, what up? No. Second clip. Ulala. Special score. Behave on the camera, dog. Dog. Hey, this guy is here for the ladies. Yeah. Yeah, she's still in this video, guys. Thank you. Guys, la MB kwacini njengoba bese ngintshelile yabo. Funa interview abafethu nyana nje abambalwa. Just ukuthi basitshele kabanzi ngale show awusabi ne. Just ukuthi basitshele kabanzi ngale show yabo. Ukuthi kahle which one is which? Ubani okuphi, ubani le. Cause now we are confused, guys. Mina confused yabo. So kahle ngifuna sithole kabanzi ngale way le njami ethola. Pull up. What up, man? Yeah, man. How are you? Yeah, man. So njami, tell me. How do you feel about this show esibuyo namhlanje, which is Infernos Nhlakanipho gospel singers?
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Ay, Spopo 18 skill leg madoda wabale ku Joseph.
Mfana man.
Yeah.
It was supposed to be scorching hot, you know?
Yeah.
But I know that this show is gonna be scorching hot. Yeah, because it's a derby.
Yeah. Finally we are here.
Oh yes, yeah. Ritile hu derby. Kutoma derby, then Rosheva derby, Kiye derby. Yeah.
Yeah, akahuta so njami ukuthi state bomenemene yabo maronga batshela abantu yabo. Which side are you on?
I'm not on anyone's side. In between,
Yeah. So since you're in between, Jami, out of 10, how much do you rate Infernos Gospel Choir?
100 out of 10.
100 out of 10. And then Nhlakanipho Gospel Singers?
I'd say 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Nah, that's not. Thank you, Jami. Thank you, me bro. Yeah. Hello, sisunjani.
Ngiyaphila njani?
So namhlanje la ku Infernos Nhlakanipho derby.
Yebo.
Sizwa kanjani?
Ngijabulile because sizo support ichoir enkulu Infernos.
So kahle wena we friendly Infernos.
Yebo.
So okay, out of 10, how much do you rate Infernos Gospel?
100 out of 1000, 1000 out of 100, 10 out of 10.
And then Nhlakanipho Gospel Singers?
I'm not really a fan, so I'm not gonna rate. Okay, let me say 5 out of 10.
Why 5 out of 10?
Because I don't really like. Okay, not to say angithandi, but I'm not a fan. Yeah, Nhlakanipho.
Oh.
Yeah.
Damn. Hayi siyabonga. Hey guys, stay tuned. Ekseba mfethu ngiphethe izinja zakhona. Umfethu ngiyacabanga namazi senimbonile on one of our episodes kuno filter chat, but then now asikho kuno filter chat sise Mbikwatsindi kuDabi doing young interviews. So ngiphethe umfethu futhi njayami I was introduced once again.
Hola bafethu kamera mpaseka into tehlupha ikasi.
Lethe inkathazo. So njayami
sure.
you are here.
Yeah.
So njayami lana yabo. It's a many challenge, you understand? Type of shit, it's a many challenge.
Yeah,
so
sure.
Njami, you are here to support which choir?
I'm here to support both choirs.
Okay. Out of 10, Njami, how much do you rate Infamous Gospel Choir?
Out of 10, I would give it 8. Ngeka 8.
8. Yeah,
Sure.
that's a nana.
Sure.
And then out of 10, Inhlakanipo Gospel Singers?
10.
10. Yeah, wait, shut up. So Njami, what pasok buwana after the show?
Yeah.
Kanjwa nje. Yeah, abafethu expect anytime soon. Danko. So lana abafethu ngiphethe
Sikhumbuzo umfethu waziwa ngoshongololo somabhakede.
Somabhakede. Mabhakede ibhakede vele.
Sesakhula.
Ibhakede lathini. So Njami lana namhlanje silala imene challenge. You understand? Angisho manje kuDabi.
Yeah.
Idabi lena between Infamous Gospel Choir and Inhlakanipo Gospel Choir, Gospel Singers. Angithi. So Njami out of 10, Infamous Gospel Choir you rate ngakhi?
According to starter na yonke way engicabanga ukuthi mhlambe bayiperformile.
Yeah.
For round 1 I'll stick to 8.
8 out of 10.
Yes.
Yazi nomfowethu omunye usho kanje. Sukuthi kahle ivari into enkulu.
Yeah, I can say that.
Okay, and then Inhlakanipo Gospel Singers.
Angizwani namanga but eqinisweni kuyo yonke into kube mnandi for round 1 kwathi mase silalela omunye round 1 kumnandi but imimoya ayifani yabo. So I believe ukuthi for bona I can say it hayi ngoba ngibazona but abafethu I can say it 7. Yeah, basa stick khona.
Yeah, basayibambile abafethu. Yeah, shout out to Inhlakanipo Gospel Singers. Ngiyabonga mfoka baba. Danko. Ewara bafethu sesibuyile futhi once again isiphethe umdladla uculela
Mfethu ngiculela amadlebe
amadlebe yeah
Mtanseka.
So kahle umdladla akaculi. So kahle wena Njami ayikho ikhoyo iculelayo manje na.
Cha Mtanseka.
Ayikho ikhoyo.
Ngithanda umculo.
Igama
uScrappy Koko.
What?
Scrappy Koko.
That's the one, bro.
That's the one, eh?
That's the one.
So Njami, okay, lana sise kuDabi between Infamous ne Inhlakanipo. So lana Njami sizodlala many challenge, you understand?
Okay.
Yeah, so lana Njami since well uze ku Infamous ne Inhlakanipo, which choir kahle wena specifically ozoyi support?
Ngithanda ngicula. Ngithanda music. Ngithanda music. Mangizwe music nokusupporta like ngisupport amakhwaya hayi ikhwaya ngoba ipolitical icala lapho ngithola wena Mtanseka ukuthi mina ngifenlani
Yeah,
bese bakushanga itulo yabo Mtanseka
angeke bashaya itu.
sengishe umene challenge bayongithola estradini songekho yewena.
Okay, ke asiyenzi be simple lento.
Sengekho necamera
Okay, asiyenzi be simple lento le. Out of 10 Njami Infamous Gospel Choir rate ngakhi?
I'm mfowethu
11 out of 10.
Mtanseka.
Alright.
Le pantsela le yazini
Yeah.
ukuthi ngizile. Ngitshaya.
Shout out to Fire FM. And then Inhlakanipo Gospel Singers out of 10 you rate ngakhi?
Yo 11 mtshana.
Yo! Yeah man.
Ngoba wena ungizwa.
Angikuzwa.
Ngithi mina ngithanda umculo.
Ngithanda umculo.
Angijudge umculo malume.
Yeah.
Ngoba yabo khona le question engithanda ukuyazi yabo.
Yeah.
Ukuthi pentatonic scale Mtanseka.
Yeah.
Who am I?
Ngathi yilabo. Akusimi mara ngathi yilabo. Yilabo.
Sengisho ukuthi
yilabo. Yeah, yilabo.
abakini.
Abasekhaya angazi mara sihlobene maybe like
Pentatonic scale.
Yeah, ngobaba sekuhlobana kancane. Yayithola.
Ngifuna ukwazi ngayo kabani.
Yeah, i-pentatonic scale.
Yeah.
Okay, so i-pentatonic scale Njami it's a vocal warm up. Yeah, I understand for choir.
Okay.
According to my knowledge.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a
Ngiyakuzwa
vocal warm up.
Mtanseka.
Yeah.
Njengoba sewuyiclassifyile wathi pentatonic scale.
Pentatonic scale.
Shuthi kunama categories.
Not sure, but then asiyenzeka so. I'm not a conductor, but then I have a conductor also answera lo mbuzo lona. So guys, umphathi akhona ukanswera umbuzo via interviews, but then explainile kabanzi ukuthi kahle kwenzakalani ku pentatonic scale. So I'll share the knowledge because give me the pentatonic scale is a 5-note musical scale, and then we have 2 different types of scales. I think it's major pentatonic and minor pentatonic. So ku major pentatonic, this is whereby we're using about 1 2 3 5 6, yeah. Scale is ngaso Infamous Gospel Choir. Apparently it's the scale we are using, Infamous Gospel Choir. And then kune minor pentatonic scale, which is about 1 B3 4 5 B7, things like that, guys. You understand? So yeah, guys, if you want to know more about pentatonic scales, I think you should go online. Yeah, go online if you want to know more, because that's the only knowledge I have for now. Thank you.
Now Thulani himself, atmosphere, trumpet. A guy who's born as a poet, but chosen to live as a prophet. Poet, trumpet, prophet. Because to no secret. I'm fucking full stop. I'm fucking my bracket, king.
Trumpet, poet.
Yeah, prophet.
Prophet. Sit down. Sit down. So Jamilana, what's it called? A mini challenge. You understand? So you are here, Tangu Infamous and Tlakanipo show, which is a derby. Biggest show. Yeah, biggest show like us so far. So far. You understand? So Njami, between the 2 choirs, which choir are you here to support?
I'm using our way 2 choirs.
Our way 2. I love it. So Njami, out of 10 to keep the chat short. Out of 10, how much do you rate Infamous Gospel Choir?
9. 9
out of 10. Okay, that's a great number, Jam. That's a great number. Reason Yana?
Yeah, reason tanga. Okay, natanga straightforward. Yeah, too much loud.
Screaming artist development. Ainang head. Get
for September, yeah, Infamous. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngayenza ukuthi
sure. Kahle by screaming artist development.
Ngifaki mina lapha ngikho yeah.
Yeah, marabala too much loudness.
Ilo one law.
Okay, lo one law is for the loudness. And then Tlakanipo Gospel Singers.
Yeah, inhlakanipho nayo ngiyigaya 7.
7 away. Rizinyana
angikeni ukuthi ngabeka kanjani.
Why 7 down?
Ila ngifuna ukuchazela khona. Ngikeni ukuthi ngayibeka kanjani. Kunomehluko between i-molding ne-folding. So yeah, ngasho ukuthi inkinga isukube lapho because mase nifold too much asikhona ukuzwa ukuthi nithini. You understand? But choreography yayithola uniform and everything yabagaya lokho sure.
Otherwise bafethu shout out to Tlakanipo Gospel Singers bafethu. If you ufuna ukujoin that choir, available kuphi ta konje?
Ngathi kuse East.
Yeah, ba available abafethu. Love the music. Bafethu aba grand. So yeah. If you nishayela ukujoin Infamous Gospel Choir, available extension 5. Anyazi address ungangibuzi address, but then ikuthola ama Kaizer Chiefs lapha ya. Sila angiphethe ubani?
Sibuda the MC from Zingfam.
Manje yamilana uze ku Infamous and Tlakanipo derby.
Straight.
Kahle. Yeah, so nje yami okay, lana sidlala I mene challenge. You understand? It's a fun challenge nyana yabo. So nje yami between Infamous and Tlakanipo Gospel Singers, which choir are you here to support?
Obvious. Minanga.
Happy Braga.
Happy
Braga.
Happy.
For sec.
Marapu.
Because no. Okay.
Both abachita.
Yeah, I understand the feeling. Yeah.
So angengithi ngisupporta bani or ngisupporta bani but ngisupporte both.
Okay. Let's make it a little bit challenging. Out of 10, Jami, how much do you rate Infamous Gospel Choir?
Mina give him 10.
10 out of 10. Reason yana music.
I can't now. Music.
Alright, and then Tlakanipo Gospel Singers, how much do you rate them? Be honest.
Okay, ngabaki ngisho 2. Ngithi 8.
Mangizothi
if
1.
If.
Then why bancintsha lo song mfethu because bahlaba bafethu.
Bayahlaba blind but give me kunezinto like ngingasho ukuthi for iside lama ngazi music ngiyafunda kwabanye abantu but when I see ezinye zezinto engathi sisenama mistake nyana ngiunderstand khona lezi zinto lezi zinama mistake amathema on stage focus ibalekile number 1 understand because gcina sikuhlangana manje stage understand so kumnandi mfethu ngicula but cula ubuye nganene focus ungasigcina so lose direction
Ngiyafila otherwise njani ngiyabonga sibuda the MC from Zing Fam ukumphathi mfethu my role model
Mfethu sayisontweni na mfethu.
church yeah.
Sayothatha wakho.
Shout out to the churches guys yeah ngiyabonga mfethu thank you hey I'm here with
no China.
mfethu China from PSW
Showcase.
yabona manje sengimena abaphathi bafethu ngimena into eziserious umuntu ophethe ibandla ukuthi umuntu in charge ngempilo zabantu so njami okay lana sidlala i-mene challenge I understand mene challenge for so confused did
Yeah, please.
so njami you are here ku Infernos and Inhlakanipho Gospel Singers Derby okay yeah which choir are you here to support
Personal.
yeah
Ngizowasupporta wethu izinja zami.
izinto zakho yeah ngibonile ukuthi vele uzoya lapho so njami kahle out of 10 how much do you rate Infernos Gospel Choir
Let me say
how wanna hear
9. That's why I'm banging point.
okay why banging point
Because of there's something I noticed.
Yeah.
At bengithi ngizotshela
Yeah.
there's something I noticed ukuthi no I think ngizotshela
alright was it tell fire okay and then Inhlakanipho Gospel Singers how much do you rate them out of 10
It's 9 also because bona one thing for sure into abangithinte ngayo
Yeah.
kula dlalela khona swethu I think we do similar thing music wethu cishe similar because it's gospel salandelela lo yabo so that's why ngithi 9 because bakhonile nokufika enhlizweni ngithintile for kulelo ngoma ye yabo so that's one thing for sure
modipile
yeah ukhonile ukulele ngoma ye so ukhonile
but otherwise yeah so kahle bona equal ne
yeah for me not because abachita bam but for me
hey but I feel like abachita ba
next
otherwise yamnyabonga mfethu next time away sawa mfethu lana ngiphethe izinja zakhona shukuthi ama promoter indoda enkulu indoda nayo esazama ukuphusha impilo njengabanye kahle indoda engasho ukuthi inspiration kimi understand via media awuthi ngibukela kuyo le bafethu so njami ngiphethe banda
Phethu mangila indoda engakhulu yazi ngihlale ngisho kanjalo all the way from Davidson. Abaningi bangena ngomatheki. Impethu wami ukhala amatheki tika ngeke ukhwele. Owami ngiwani single page.
Away. So njami lana sidlala i-challenge yabo sidlala konje what it called a mene challenge yabo mene challenge
Okay.
yeah just a young challenge nyana for ukuthi ababukeli babe entertain nyana yabo so njami njengoba uzela kuDabi which choir kahle specifically are you here to support
Okay, ntanga athi ngibe straight ne. Angeke ngibe nginobumenemene kulena ne.
mene challenge
Just ukuthi ngifuna ukuwa straight. Mina kahle as well yakentisa to me that it's about elevating ama brands. Ngiyabona ukuthi ngizele Infernos or ngizele Inhlakanipho. So ngizele ukuzo promote show nokuzobukela show.
Amen. Okay, just to ukuthi si challenge kancane. How much do you rate Infernos Gospel Choir njami musically out of 10?
Out of 10 I can give Infernos straight to fire 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
And then 10 out of 10 music. But attire. Yeah. 8 out of 10 le 2% lena ukuthi angisho masinabantu asifanga ngomusic mhlawumbe. So mina ngisunga umuntu mhlambe okakhulu kule type of music mhlambe ayishaya. That's 8. Why ngithi 8 uyashaya now? Kahle.
And then Inhlakanipho Gospel Singers
I can rate them 8 nayo ku music. Yeah, simply because of banokuza ngapha kimi angisho again ukuthi mina ngiku highest shy sifila so banokuza ngapha ngakimi baphinde
babalansisa mina ngisana ama facts wakho njalo otherwise ngiyabonga abafethu guys this is the end of the episode. Hope you enjoyed the episode as a whole guys. Please click that like, share and subscribe button, click that notification bell to get notified next time I drop. Chomina Ngucha.
Tune in, broski.
Shout out to Chomina Ngucha.